This is Mark Brandon of R Enterprises with a 5-minute drill on truck 1497. It's like new condition with less than 100 miles. The chassis is a 2022 Chevy G4500 with a 159-inch wheelbase. It's two-wheel drive V8 gasoline engine. The overall length, 282 inches. Overall height is 108 inches. Headroom is 72 inches. It's a McCoy Miller box. It has all new paint, new rotary latches, pad latches, new gaskets on all the doors. It has new wheel and siren and speakers, all new LED lights, a 3,000-watt trip light inverter charger, a new moose bumper, new Pro Air HVAC system, and the body configuration is left front compartment for oxygen, forward compartment with adjustable shelf and inverter charger, wheel well drawer, rear compartment with adjustable shelf, new rear bumper, LSA seat, action area forward and aft. It has a walk-through door with a new attendant seat, ALS in and out cabinets, PDQ glove box, new floor, power cot rail, right rear compartment, small rear compartment, curb size entry, with new console and controls, battery box with slide out batteries. If you have any questions or want any further information about Unit 1497, please call 1-833-ReMount or visit our website www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.